Hello, my name is Ricky. I'm a psychologist and I work here at We.Care. This video is a part of the CSPPA mental health program. And today we're going to talk about what the difference is between anxiety and fear. Anxiety and fear are very close related, but they are different. Anxiety is focused on something that potentially can happen in the future, whereas fear is focused on a dangerous, threatening situation here and now that is known. So fear is a reaction to something in the present moment, or to something that you experienced before and that can potentially happen again, today, now, or in a few minutes. So fear is something external, it is something known, and it is real. For instance, if somebody broke into my house a few weeks ago, I might be very fearful that somebody is going to break into my house again tonight while I sleep. And that might make it very difficult for me to fall asleep because my body reacts in a way and responds to this that tells me, Ricky, it's not safe to fall asleep. This is a fear because it has happened before and it might happen again. And it might be a real and known danger that in my neighborhood, oftentimes people break into the houses and it's unsafe. On the other hand, we have anxiety, which is more future-oriented towards dangerous events that can possibly happen, but is not bound to happen. We feel anxiety when there is a sense of uncontrollability about something. You and I know that we cannot control everything and we don't have the power over everything 100%. For instance, I might feel anxious that my daughter gets into a car accident, or that I lose my job, or that I get cancer. I do have some control over these events that can happen, but not 100%. So to make it clear, I can focus on eating well and be good to my body, work out, and to some degree prevent that I get cancer. I can also make sure that my daughter has her driver's license and that she puts on her seatbelt to some degree. I can ask her. Or I can make sure I do my job well, but I don't have control over my genetic makeup, which might give me cancer, and I cannot control how other people drive in the traffic. And I cannot control whether or not there is an economic crisis in the world next year and the business is out. So when we are anxious, when we have anxiety towards something in the future, I want to underline that it is anxiety towards something that can potentially happen but is not bound to happen. So to sum it up, fear is a reaction to a real threat or dangerous situation, whereas anxiety is largely focused on something that might happen in the future. If you are suffering at the moment or going through something very difficult, I really encourage you to speak up and tell somebody. Thank you for watching.